Hey guys, it's Heather with My Little HEA. How's it going? Welcome back to my channel. I am here today because my next Influenster box came and I was not really expecting it. I got the notification just a couple of days ago and then it was like, bam, here I am in your face. And so here we go. Let's just go ahead and open this up. Influenster is a company that sends out products. It partners with other brands, and you sometimes will get like a one product that you need to review, talk about, do different instances, and then sometimes you'll get a box that has a whole bunch of different things in it, and that's what this is. So this is called the Spark Voxbox, and looks like there's several things in here. Let's see if I can just hold this up. Whoa. Oh! So we're just gonna do an unboxing. And then I'll try out, oops. There are 5 items in here. And Country Crock sunflower oil, MSRP $3, is our creamiest buttery spread yet. Uses real simple ingredients such as a blend of plant-based oils, high quality sunflower oil, and a pinch of salt. Our new spread is slow churned to buttery perfection. And on the back of this card they actually give you several different recipes to use, and they're all very simple using the sunflower oil. They gave us a couple of coupons to go pick it up because obviously that's when it needs to be refrigerated, and they did include it in the box. No problem. That was one of the questions when I was filling out this influencer survey, and they said, you know, would you be willing to go to the store and pick something up? And I was like, of course, no problem. And then at the end it did say something about it'd be smooth as butter, and I was like, I did not literally think it would be butter that I would be going to pick up. I thought, you know, there's lots of companies that do like butter bronzer or butter London. Like I had no idea what to expect, and so I kept checking the influencer page to see like, what are they announcing next? And I do like the ones where you get tons of different products like this because there's always so much to try. The next item, this is definitely something that will be great for summer. This is the new PureSilk Contour 6 Double Flex Head Razor, and it looks like it comes with one cartridge up here and then one cartridge here in the back. This is your shaving starter kit. MSRP is $9.99. It comes with 6 ultra thin blades, which I'm really excited about. Right now, the razor I use is a 5 blade, so 6 blades, heck yes, that sounds amazing. And, oh, it says you can join the new PureSilk Shave Club and enjoy the convenience of fresh blade cartridge refills, sent straight to your doorstep for a great value, all at a pace that works for you. So you wouldn't even have to go anywhere to get it. So perfect for summer. I'm glad this is included in a box that comes during this summer. This next item is the Live Clean Coconut Milk, and I'm sure it's all like shiny and stuff because it's got plastic on it. Oh, but it's got a pump on it, and this is a body lotion, rich moisture for dry skin. The MSRP on this is $5.99. This is a 17 fluid ounces. So it looks like it has several ingredients, the first of which is water, which is always great, but we'll do a little bit of testing with this. I went ahead and cut this open, and I wanted to see if I could figure out how to, oh, there it goes, it pops, and see if we could, this is 98% plant ingredients. I thought we'd, whoop, get that pumped. See what the scent is like. It doesn't smell too coconutty, which is nice. Like it's got a hint of coconut, but it definitely, like, this is one of those lotions that it is scented, but it kind of smells like vacation, like what you would smell if you were at a resort or something. So yeah, I'm excited to try that. Next product is from Pantene. It looks like the lid came off. This is the Pantene Pro V Foam Conditioner. This is the Pantene Daily Moisture Renewal Foam Conditioner. The MSRP on this is $6.99. I actually have a little bottle of this that came in some other box, And I've been using that one. I think it's a little bit of a different formula. Like, this is Moisture Renewal. That one that I've tried, not really seeing anything fantastic about it. I have short hair, so it's not like I have like super dry hair or anything. But when you pump this, let's just go ahead and pump it. It like pumps and fills really fast. Like, you know, you're looking at what you, oh, it almost fell off. You're looking at what you would have for like mousse. So you just, it is nice because it does like cover, whereas like regular conditioner, sometimes it feels like you have to continue to use more. There is one other thing in here. I'm gonna go wipe this off and I'll be right back. The last item is the Swisspers Unnaturally Natural, Swisspers A Naturally Natural Fragrance-Free Makeup Remover Wipes. And you get 25 pre-moistened wipes for MSRP is $5.99. It says, can your wipes say this? It's like repeated. Swisspers 100% cotton makeup removal wipes are made from 100% ultra soft cotton. pH balance, have no harsh chemicals, sulfates, parabens, petroleum dyes, phthalates, and are as gentle as water. Used to gently sweep away makeup and impurities while caring for your skin. I will do a separate video showing these, taking off your makeup, actually describing them. I can't do it right now because this is really just an unboxing and I am doing a foundation wear test, so can't be wiping this off. I gotta do a couple of check-ins later. But anyway, so thank you so much to Influenster. All of these products are, my hands feel very silky soft, just so you know. Thank you so much to Influenster for sending me this box. I received all of these items complimentary at no cost to me. All of my thoughts as we go on are going to be, and even what I mentioned here, are going to be my own. I'm not paid for this. This is not a paid promotion. I'm so excited to get to trying all these things out. If you liked this video and you want to see more videos like this, go ahead and give it a thumbs up and you might hit that subscribe button if you want to see all of the videos that I post and I can just pop up in your feed. I hope you guys are having a fantastic day and I'll see you in my next video.